Intelligence opens doors, but curiosity walks through them. Most people stop asking questions. Curious minds never do. Success isn't about knowing more. It's about wanting to know more. Curiosity turns the unknown into adventure. Intelligence wants to be right. Curiosity wants to explore. The difference changes everything. Curious people learn faster. They fail more and grow more. They see mistakes as data. They don't fear being wrong, because every wrong reveals truth. Intelligence seeks answers. Curiosity seeks understanding. That's why kids learn so fast. Their world is full of why. Adults trade why for whatever. Curiosity fades when ego rises. We pretend to know everything, but curiosity thrives on humility. It says, "I don't know yet." Those three words create genius. Every breakthrough starts with wonder. What if we tried this? Why does that happen? Einstein didn't chase grades. It chased curiosity. He said, "I have no special talent. I am only passionately curious." Curiosity built science, art, progress. But in daily life, it builds character, relationships, and success. Curious people listen deeper. They ask better questions. They connect faster. They notice what others ignore. In business, curiosity drives innovation. In relationships, it builds empathy. In learning, it makes effort effortless. Because curiosity creates emotional energy. It turns hard work into play. It activates the brain's dopamine system. Each new discovery feels rewarding. Intelligence measures potential. Curiosity multiplies it. So how do you grow curiosity? Step 1. Follow your questions. Don't judge your interests. Explore them freely. Read what excites you. Watch what challenges you. Ask questions without filters. Curiosity doesn't need permission. Step 2. Replace judgment with wonder. Instead of, "I know," say, "I wonder." Wonder keeps the mind open. Judgment shuts it down. Step 3. Connect ideas. Curiosity thrives on connection. Creativity is curiosity in motion. Combine random things, music and math, psychology and art. Curiosity bridges worlds. Step 4. Get comfortable not knowing. Curiosity lives in uncertainty. If you need control, you lose it. Learn to explore without map. The unknown is your teacher. Step 5. Stay playful. Play is curiosity in disguise. It's learning without pressure. Serious minds can still be playful. Curiosity keeps you young forever. Intelligence ages. Curiosity renews. Stay curious. Stay alive. That's how curiosity fuels success more than intelligence.